Right, in this video, we're going to install the Saga Explorer for iPad app on our iPad and set it up for first use and download our first file. So to get a hold of this great app, we're going to go to the web browser, bring up oceans.com, and we can type in /saga after that. It'll take us directly to the Saga Explorer for iPad page where we can sign up for service. We can tap on the download tab just below the picture there and tap on the download on the App Store, which will launch the App Store and take us directly to the app. And where we have the open button, it will be a download icon if you don't already have the software installed. So tap that to download the app. Once it's there, we can either tap open to directly launch the app, or we can go back to our home screen and we should have the Saga Explorer icon on our home screen. Go ahead and tap the Saga Explorer to launch the program, and it will automatically fill in a username and a password for the first 3-day demo period, which we can go ahead and use. Or if we've already got a username and password, we can change these out to our current username and password. And I'm entering mine in here. And then I'm going to tap the sign in, and it'll verify that I have an account. Otherwise, it'll give me an error message. And it's going to open up into the map screen showing us the coverage area for the data we're going to be downloading. I can put my finger in the middle of this red box and drag it around anywhere on this map to select an area. I can also just touch anywhere on the map and drag the map to the left or right if there's a different region I want to get into. I can tap and drag the corners of that box to adjust the size of it to make it a little bit smaller, faster downloads, or larger for more coverage area but a slower download. So once I've selected that, I would next need to choose a product. So I would tap on the products link at the bottom of the page, and it'll take me to a list of all the different weather products that are available in Saga, which subsequent videos will go into these in more depth. I'm going to choose Grid Met and just jump right in and grab the Met Fast, which is kind of a lower resolution wind pressure and precipitation file. I'll tap on that and I can select how many days of forecast I would like. I'm going to choose 3-day. Tap done. And then I'm ready to download that. So I will go down below and tap on the connect link at the bottom of the page. It'll bring up a download page showing me what I have chosen for my connection method. There are many, so I could actually tap on that and choose one of many different satellite connections that I might be on. But because I'm on my home connection, I'm just going to leave it on direct connection. And then a review of the coverage area, the download size, and what file I'm going to be downloading. I'm then going to tap the download button or link, and it's going to send the request into the Ocean servers. Grab those files, bring them down to the iPad, combine them, and pop them up on the screen. So now I'm ready to start playing with it. And you've now completed step 1 of using Ocean's Saga Explorer for iPad. Stay tuned for more videos going into all the details of the tools and the products available through the Ocean Saga service. Thank you.